Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome browser error. As you can see guys in my screen, DNS prop finished NXDOMAN. So to fix this error guys, you need to follow this easy and very simple method till and very carefully. I am going to show you 3 to 4 different methods to fix this error. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, when you are facing this type of problem guys, first you need to disconnect your internet from your PC or laptop. So I am using the laptop, so just I will disconnect the Wi-Fi for a few seconds. After disconnecting guys, just you need to turn it back on again. Okay, so after doing this guys, hopefully this method will work with you. The problem will solve on your PC, on your browser. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to restart your PC one time. After restarting, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to reset the Google Chrome browser. To reset it guys, just click on 3 dots option, go to settings. In the settings here in the left panel, you can get the option reset settings. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to reset the settings for your browser. Okay, after resetting guys, check your issue was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, if you are using the third-party antivirus on your PC, just you need to disable it temporarily on your PC. This will help you to fix your problem. Okay, so this is the also main solution to fix your problem if you are using any third-party antivirus. Okay, in case this method is also not working with you guys, now what you need to do, you need to check the third-party extension on your PC. If you are using any third-party extension on your browser, in your Google Chrome browser, just you need to disable or uninstall it from your browser. This will also help you to fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So one more method I am going to show you. If you are using your Windows 11, just you need to update your Windows PC. To update it guys, hold Windows key button and press I. This is the shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings here you can get the Windows update option. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to update the Windows. After updating your Windows guys, this will also help you to fix this problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix the Google Chrome browser error. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.